George and Martha love simple things, coffee, good food, and quiet mornings. But today, George has a big idea.
George, I will be back in 1 hour. Please do not touch the kitchen.
Do not worry, Martha. I will cook today.
You? Cook?
Yes, I watched a video on YouTube. I am basically a chef now.
George, we have a fire extinguisher, yes?
Of course. Where is it? Maybe this is the problem. Step 1, try not to panic. Good advice. Easy, simple, fast, perfect for beginners. Preheat oven to 180 degrees. How do I preheat you? I will figure it out later. Eggs, good. Flour, good. Yes, bananas are very healthy. George puts everything into one bowl. The recipe says mix gently. Flour goes everywhere. Milk flies across the counter. That egg was not important. Better. It is not better. George adds sugar, then more sugar, then a little more. Sugar makes everything better. Now it is dessert. George smells the food. He stops. He smells again. Interesting smell. George looks unsure. Maybe it is a surprise recipe.
George, what happened?
Welcome to Chez George. Table for one, madame?
What is that on the ceiling?
That is art.
George, that is batter.
Art can be many things, Martha. What is it called? I call it surprise delight.
What is the surprise? I also do not know.
George does not breathe.
It is interesting.
Interesting good or interesting bad?
It is interesting, George.
Martha, I have a question.
Do you think we should order pizza? 15 minutes ago.
You ordered pizza before you even tasted my food?
The dog next door was howling.
He is very sensitive. Next Saturday, I will cook again.
Next Saturday, we are going to a restaurant.
Good idea.
George, that dish was truly something else.
It was not that bad.
If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and follow our page.
See you in the next story.